What's up, guys? So today I wanted to do like a really cute yellow and red look, and I think this will be really perfect for like spring and summer coming up. I'm so excited for spring and summer. So if you want to see how I got this look, keep on watching it. Alright, so I have a base on my face already. I'm going to go straight in with my eyes then. So I have my eyebrows done, my foundation, everything. So the palette we're going to be working with today is the Sleek makeup palette, and this is in the I never know. This is in I Divine Ultra Mattes palette, and this one looks like this. So you have a lot of different colors in there. Very pretty colors, very springy, so I'm really excited to do this. And so we're going to be using this yellow on our eyes, and as well as also going to be using the Venus 2 palette, I believe. Yeah, the Venus 2 palette. And we're sorry if you hear that plane. It's like a lot of things going on outside. So anyway, we're going to be using the Venus 2 palette in this color here, that mellow yellow color. So those are the only colors we're going to use on our lid. Today is going to be a true yellow eye with true red lips. So yeah, this is going to be a simple, very simple look. Hopefully this video isn't too long. I noticed that my videos are really long. Let me know if you have a problem with that, because I can shorten them. This will be a little bit shorter video, hopefully. I'm going to start off with the yellow and the Sleek palette. By the way, these palettes are so inexpensive, so if you go on the website you can find them for, I think it's under $10 or under $15, and the quality of these are so nice for how many shadows you get, and the quality is just really nice. So I'm going to take the yellow and I'm going to go, oh, there's a hair on my face. I'm going to go straight in my eyes, and I'm not going to put a base down. I just have the concealer from my eyebrows to kind of give me a certain start. So I'm just going to take the yellow and put that on. I'm going to pile this up, because what we're going to do is we're going to be creating a yellow cut crease type thing. So I'm just going to blend this in. Get this hair out of the way. So like I was saying, for some reason this eye comes out a little bit better than the other eye. I think it's just of how like my arm can go over here, and like, I don't know, honestly. I'm going to take another fluffy brush, and I'm going to go in with the mustard color in the Venus 2 palette. And basically, like I said, we're using these 2 colors only, and then I also have some glitters that we'll probably put on to add some more, I don't know, jazz. So I'm going to take this color and I'm going to go right below that yellow that we just applied, just to deepen it a little bit, because it just looks a little bit better once it's deepened. It just looks a little bit better and a little bit more interesting when you add depth in your look. So we're going to do that. The quality of these eyeshadows are really nice, so you won't have to do too much piling on, but you want to make sure that it is there. If you notice that I'm doing this a little bit sloppy, it's because I am. Honestly, these type of looks don't have to be as neat as you can get it. You can honestly just kind of chill out with these type of looks, do your makeup, pop some music on, and get ready for spring. Alright, so now what I'm going to do is take a yellow corrector, and this is just going to do my job for me. It's going to cut my crease and also give me a yellow base that is just wonderful and what I need. So I'm going to actually take it straight from the tube just to be easy. Cut my crease. So very easy. Just take the concealer and draw. What I'm going to do is take a brush to blend that out and smooth over top. I'm going to take that same yellow that we started off with and I'm going to put that on the lid. So the same yellow, put it on the lid. Oh, and I'm taking like a fluffy flat brush because I feel like this is going to pick up the product better and it's going to just catch, the concealer is going to catch the eyeshadow from this brush a little bit better. So that's why I chose this brush and instead of like a flat brush. When you get to the edges, I feel like you will need a more flat brush to get a more precise look. So go ahead and grab that. So what I'm going to do next, I have some gold glitter here. It's actually like a gold liner from NYX. I'm going to take this and put it all over my lid. And this is just going to create such a nice look. There you have it. Very pretty. So I'm going to put some up here just because I want to. There, I just think that looks so cute. And now since that's that down, I'm going to take this yellow glitter. It's kind of like a really yellow gold. And I'm just going to take a little teeny tiny bit of this and I'm going to put this all over my lid. But this just gives like a really true yellow look. So it looks really pretty. Love. Now what we're going to do is add some lashes. I'm going to put on some really old lashes I have here, just sitting here. But I do want to share the glue that I'm using. I'm using the IMV by Kiss Super Strong Cold Eyelash Adhesive and Clear. This is the bomb, and I think it cost, actually it was a little bit expensive where I got it, but I'm pretty sure you can get it for maybe less than $5 somewhere, maybe online. But it holds really nicely. I really like this glue, and I like the application. Very nice. Fucking hate when that shit happens, dude. While that dries to fix, I'm going to take the mascara from Lancome, this, and I'm going to put this on my top and bottom lashes. We really need to darken the lashes because all that yellow eyeshadow is on them, and we need to kind of like blend them back. Alright, so I don't know if you guys can see, but there's like a mark right here now. I tried to cover it up with concealer and such, but it didn't work. So I'm gonna, you know what I'm gonna do? I'm gonna take a yellow liner, and this is from the NYX Vivid Brights collection. And this is in the color Vivid Halo. I'm gonna create a heart and see if that looks cute. If I mess up, please don't mess up. Actually, I'm gonna make a star. I think that's a little bit more easier, so. Okay, so I just put a star on my face to cover a black mark. How does it look? Let's see. I think it looks kind of cute. Alright, so now let's do the lips. I feel like this video is going to go on for forever. No, it's not. No, it's not. For my lips, I'm going to be taking the lips liner from Rimmel London. This is in Coffee Bean, and I'm going to take this and also this red lipstick in Wicked from Lime Crime. I think this is red. Yeah, it's like a really dark red. Alright guys, so this is the finished look. I hope you enjoyed it. I really do like this. This is so cute to me. I'm definitely going to be wearing this in the winter. I'm definitely going to be wearing this in the spring and summer, so I'm so excited. Let me know if you try this down below, and also let me know what you want to see next in the comments down below. Yeah, I'll see you guys in a later video. Thanks for watching. Bye.